Hi sir, myself Naveen Kumar A. My registration number is 20 BCS 0011 and my topic is what is organ donation and its important. Now let's go see about what is organ donation. Organ donation is nothing but is a gift of an organ to a person who needs a transplant to improve his condition and health status. Organ donation is nothing but who can transplant our uh, donable organs to the needy. It is a procedure in which a organ donor is nothing but a person with who have undirty organ and is taken from an individual who is either living or deceased and transplanted into person whose respective organ is malfunctioning. Donated organs give the recipient the opportunity of longer and better quality of life. Uh, you think is it a legal procedure to transplant an organ donation? Yes, it is a legal procedure. It is governed by a transplant regulatory body and special acts laid down by authorities, and all institutions conducting transplants have to be registered under the government and follow rules and regulations. Okay, let's talk about what type of organ we have donate to the needies. Which organs for transplant surgery can be donated? I added few organs to transplant organ donation: lungs, heart, eye, liver, pancreas, cornea, small intestine, skin tissues, bone tissues, heart valves and veins, and more organs too. We can donate to others. People also ask why is organ donation important. It is a procedure in which health organ is taken from individual who is either living or deceased and is transplanted into person whose respective orphan. Uh, Donate a second life. Donate a second life. On one organ donate can save up to 8 lives. World Organ Donation Day is observed globally on 13th August. Organ organ donation. Even after death, some organs of the body can be preserved and stored. If these organs are donated, it might save somebody else's life. The rates of organ donation have significantly increased due to the number of successful cases. However, organ smuggling is a serious crime and is dangerous for society. Sometimes the organs removed for donation may be smuggled by unscrupulous people who do uh, heinous crimes for money. We must understand the necessity behind organ donation and support it. Thank you, sir.